Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG 21 Gem 9 34-inch WQHD curved ultrawide smart monitor. So friend, LG has announced the model 34SR65QC, a 34-inch display with unique form factor and range of features for better productivity and entertainment experience. And friends, the smart monitor featuring a curved 21 Gem 9 aspect ratio ultra-wide screen offering an expensive desktop display solution for customers seeking improved workflow and enhancing viewing impression or both. And the monitor resolution is 34-inch WQHD 3440 into 1440 pixel resolution, delivering 300 nits of brightness and wide viewing angle of 99% coverage of the sRGB color gamut. And the monitor is equipped with the LG webOS platform, which provides access to a wide range of content services including Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video, along with personalized viewing recommendations and initiative navigation. For even more superb content option, user can head to LG channels, LG's free premium content services, and browse more than 300 channels spanning categories such as movies, news, sports,